In our management and business arenas, we often come across the term KPIs. However, most of us do not know what KPI actually stands for. KPIs, also known as Key Performance Indicators, help us understand several aspects of our business sector. KPIs are a set of measurable metrics that help monitor the performance of a business organization towards a single objective. It helps to identify the strengths as well as the weaknesses and can assist you in creating data-driven decisions that optimize business performance. Hi guys, my name is Debarko and I hope by now you have already got the hint that today in this video we will be discussing about the different aspects associated with KPI. So without further ado, let's dive in. Apart from the term Key Performance Indicator, KPI also means keeping people informed as well as inspired. Therefore, if you are planning to achieve 360-degree growth in your business, you have to come up with a whole new perspective as far as KPIs are concerned. Here are a few pointers that will help you to truly unlock the true potential of KPIs and how it can positively impact your business. Number 1. Keep people interested. When we work in an environment that is supportive and innovative, it automatically fosters passion, motivates us and drives us towards excellence. Therefore, it is imperative that in your organization, you keep your people engaged and interested. This in turn will bring a massive change in terms of work procedures, company culture, and ultimately promote your organization towards optimum growth. Number 2. Keep people informed. In your organization, you must stay connected with your stakeholders and the employees. You can share insights, regular updates, and other reports to make sure they are on the same page and there are no discrepancies. You can celebrate the achievements of your employees and can also talk about the challenges that lie ahead. In this way, you will be able to share your vision, company's mission, and pave the way towards success. Number 3. Keep people inspired. Inspiring and motivating people in your organization will ultimately enable you to pen down success stories. So always try to support and motivate the employees in your organization. When you inspire and back your employees in difficult situations, it automatically boosts up their confidence and allows you to deliver outstanding results. Number 4. Keep people involved. When you work in an organization, you want to feel like that you belong here. However, if this particular emotion is missing, it can make you feel dissociated from others. Therefore, once you make people within your organization feel that they belong together, it automatically enhances their performance. Try to keep a brainstorming session and let everyone put forward their ideas and strategies. Keep them involved and committed to your organization's success journey. KPIs are not about just numbers and matrices being high. It is about keeping a harmonious relationship in your organization that automatically facilitates growth. This brings us to the end of the video and we really hope you liked it. If you find this video to be helpful and informative, please share it, hit the bell icon and subscribe to our channel to stay updated.